how to create an autoresponder in Getresponse. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I will show you how you guys can create an autoresponder on Getresponse. So firstly, come on to getresponse.com, sign up, and you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So now from over here you guys are going to see the option to create an autoresponder over here. So click on create autoresponder. That's going to take you guys over here to this particular page. So now from over here you guys can name your autoresponder. You guys can type in reply for leads or whatever else that you guys might want to set up an autoresponder for. And then over here you guys have the option to set up this particular autoresponder setting. So basically, when do you want this message to go out? You guys can choose the day, you guys can choose the same time as sign up time or some other time. And then over here you guys can choose the days that you want this particular message to be sent out. Then you guys can choose a subject line as well. You guys can type in whatever you want and your recipient is going to see this particular subject line. Then you guys can choose the design and content, and then after that simply click on save and publish, and then your autoresponder is going to be set up and you will be responding automatically to whatever you set up this particular autoresponder for. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.